When I tell you guys to invest, you don't listen. In the past 24 hours, look how much profit we've made. Okay, this is a real account, by the way. It's not fake. That's why I'm moving my screen so you can see it's a real account. All right, real account. It's not fake. But in the last 24 hours, we've made 342 pounds. Okay, I don't know if you can see it right there, but you should be able to see it. Okay. So as I said, and then I'm gonna show you guys what the complete portfolio is on as of right now, the entire portfolio. Okay. But as always, when I say this stuff, I'm not showing you to impress you. Don't forget, I start from zero. 4 months ago, roughly now, no, three and a bit still, your boy was completely down on his knees. Okay. Pause. But completely down where, yeah, you didn't really know. And as I said, entered my 30s completely down. No wife, no children, no nothing, and we are just building and we're working. But this is the extreme side, okay? This is the extreme side. I'm not gonna lie to you. This is the extreme side. But the extreme works. I've always been someone who's extreme, so it's always worked for me, and it's already working. So we're on a journey now to save 100 grand. That's gonna be now the title of these videos, where we're on a journey to save 100 grand, and I believe we can definitely do it. It's definitely possible. Where there's a will, there's a way, but we're gonna have to intensify our extremeness without sacrificing our health. Obviously, you know me. I've always spoken about health. Health is very important. Staying fit is super important. So we're gonna have to intensify some. Let me know some side hustles that maybe you've done in the comment section that you might want to see me do and see how it works out. I'm thinking of one already, which I'm halfway through doing, which is PCV. Obtaining a PCV license, PCV, yeah, license, where it's going to allow us to be able to also drive coaches. So if you don't know, we can drive a truck, we can drive obviously a normal car. We've got the taxi license as well, and now we're about to get a PCV license. Why? Because side hustle wise, it's going to work perfectly. Do that. This is the plan. Do that. You might want to steal it because it's working. So do that PCV license, join an agency ideally. So this way gives us, we're able to do our normal 9 to 5, and then the money we're getting from there, chuck it into the investment and reinvest it. Don't forget, as I told you, I'm going to be showing you what the complete portfolio is on now, later on in the video. We then, after taking, yeah, the 9 to 5, then from the agency, because it's going to give us some freedom hours wise, do maximize as many hours as we physically, humanly can, because we still need to sleep and still need to, do all of your normal stuff. And then the side hustle income that we get from the PCV, aka driving coaches, for example, because it's going to be self employed, it's going to allow us to make more, the whole tax deduction and stuff. And then also because it's going to be 7 days in a row, aka traveling to other countries and whatnot. So ferries, but still driving the coach. So you're gonna be gone for 7 days at a time. So that's why it pays so well. I'm putting you guys on game. If you want to take it, take it. But look, as I said, we are doing whatever it takes. And I've seen people who've been able to save 100 grand, which they say is the hardest, by the way. They were willing to do the extreme without sacrificing their health. But what they done was extreme. So if you can't accept that in your head, then it's not for you. It's really not for you. But for me, I've accepted it that okay, well, cool, we're gonna do whatever it takes. Without becoming a degenerate, of course. You know? The light has dimmed. Will the car start? Oh my days. Don't tell me the battery's flat. We're about to go on an adventure right now. Okay. Side quest. Let's start the engine. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Goodness me. Oh my god. Oh, thank you, God. Oh, thank you, God. Guys, that scared, because the light started flashing and blinking, and I was like, oh my days, this is it. So okay, cool. So we are back on. Woo! Thank you, God. Wow. All right, let's bring down this AC so you can be able to hear me as we strategize. So this is probably like day. What day is this of saving 100 grand? I think it's like day um 30, 60, day 7. I think it could be day 80. Yeah, day 81 or something like that. Okay, I'm gonna track the days properly, and then I'm gonna start updating you guys, updating you so you can see we're about to literally create or do something inspirational where you see somebody go from 0 to 100 grand, and you're genuinely shocked. How do they do it? Especially, what's more impressive is they've done it with just a normal basic 9 to 5 job. That's what I want to inspire people, that you can do this with just a normal 9 to 5 job. You don't actually need anything. You don't need like a crazy salary or anything. But it's going to take work, it's going to take planning, perseverance, not being lazy, all those things, you know? Yeah. Let me know in the comment section down below. What journey are you currently on? Where are you in your journey? Have you saved what? 100, 200, 500, whatever it is. Let me know. 1,000, 10,000. Let me know in the comment section. What should they please like the video so it gets these videos to people who enjoy content like this. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. God bless.